into the chat box, let me know. Also, before I will start my sessions, I would like to emphasize that in my workshop, in any of my training, there will be a lot of exercise involved. So hence, it will be very important for you guys to keep in touch with me in the chat box, and it's going to be a very practical workshop. The only thing that I can help you guys is when you guys don't understand, just type in the chat box what you don't understand. The more you ask, the more you will learn, the more I can share with you that help you improve on your trading journey. Okay? Now, a quick thing. Disclaimer 1. In Alpha Masterclass, we provide education materials and to serve you guys to be a trader. And number 2, the risk disclaimer is that I'm here to teach you how you can use the robot to trade, and it is your responsibility to handle your own money with care. Remember that you should not invest in the money that you cannot afford to lose. Alright, risk disclaimer. Earning disclaimer, every effort has been made to accurately represent this program and its potential. There is no guarantee that you will earn money and using the technique of this program. Alright. In short, the earning potential is entirely dependent on the person using our product ideas and technique. Now, what would you learn? Number 1, how to trade for a living even at zero starting capital. Is it possible? Yes, it's totally possible. I will cover this in day 3. And how to improve your trading strategy using robot and reduce emotional aspect of trading. Today and tomorrow I will cover this as well. And how you can enhance your trading skill to gain a better market insight and for better trading decisions. How to manage your risk, how to do a better trading analysis, how to be more accurate to get more outright in your trading. So these are the 3 topics that we will cover throughout the 4-day sessions. Now, here are some of the rules that we always implement when I am doing the workshop. First thing first, make sure that you attend the sessions with a computer, PC, laptop, anything else that have a larger screen. If you don't have any of this, use tablet also can. Alright. This is to ensure that you have the best trading experience in trading so that later when I show you any other charts, easier for you to learn as well. Okay. So guys, if you need anyone to help for the Zoom, please contact my team through the WhatsApp. Alright, they will be able to help you. Second, now most of my note is on drawing basic. Alright, and there is no much thing for you to write in the workshop. Most of the time, in order for you to best learn in my workshop, this is a paper, A4 blank piece of paper, and take your pen, write, draw on it. Okay, take a blank piece of paper, draw on it. Because in trading, there are a lot of strategy, a lot of techniques. It's more on visual wise. Hence, it will be best that if you can draw it out in a blank piece of paper. Third, learn with an empty cup. Now, how many of you agree that sometimes when we know too much of stuff, it makes it very hard to learn something even better? Alright, how many of you agree with this? Type of agree in the chat box. In this workshop, I would like you guys to be empty your cup and then absorb as much knowledge as possible from my side. How? By asking more questions. The more you ask, the more you will learn. And for those, especially for those who have been learning more than 1 year, 2 years, or even 5 years of trading experience, really, I will need your collaborations. Please come into the workshop with an empty cup. Essentially, when you come into the workshop, you must follow the rules of A, B, and C. A, always. B, C, curious. Always be curious. Stay curious and ask questions. Because most of the profitable traders that I know, they are very humble, stay open-minded, and stay positive to keep learning as much thing as possible. And I believe that you agree, especially in the current world of technology. Every day the market change. Regardless if you are trading on crypto, stocks, because of the AI, everything was keep changing and getting more and more faster right now. Hence, individual, we are unable to catch up with the speed already. Hence, we will need to stay humble, open mind to other people's perspective, listen to what other people say, learn from them, and keep updated with the latest technology. All right. Now, 6, I also would like to build a community together with all you guys to learn, trade, and profit together. Essentially, right, the best way for you to learn trading fast and become profitable as soon as possible is to teach people what you have learned. I repeat again, if you want to be successful, you have to teach people what you have learned first. Because regardless that you are right now beginners, experienced trader, doesn't matter, because we all start from the same common ground. But one of the things that for sure is true is your experience in trading. Everything that you learn from the past, you win lah, you lost lah, doesn't matter, because it's always right. That take the experience, we relearn it, and then in this 4-day workshop, what I will do is that I will start to correct the mistake that you did all along the past. All right, and what I'm saying over here, in short, what I'm saying over here is that for those that have experience, as soon as you see some beginner questions, all right, so for example, what is lot size, what are the pips, please help me to answer it in the chat box so that I can teach you guys more stuff along the way. For beginners, also no need to worry to ask about beginner questions, or you think that it's a stupid question, never mind, just ask first. Because I have been seeing that one of the students over here is more than 10 years of training experience, all right? And we've been agreed that we will just share each other experience, help beginners so that you know what is the real important knowledge. Newbie, learn from experience so you can speed up your learning journey, all right? If you understand what I'm saying here and you're okay to help out more people to learn each other, all right, type the okay into the chat box, okay? Can you respond to some of the myth of trading? I guarantee you, throughout this 4 days, I will just throw myth by myth by myth, mistake over mistake and over mistake. All right, you will not just see how the top trader profit, which I think that you guys has been bored by a lot of this kind of profitable trader. I also would like to show you how does the trader that losing money make. What is the real reason that cause people to lose money? What is the real reason that cause people to win? Right, so there's a pro and cons that I want to see each side. And the best thing is, if you can, please come in to join this workshop session together with your friend. Because when you have a friend, you can learn together, trade together, can always study together even after these 4-day sessions. All right. Next, I want to address something upfront that my English is not my native language. So please bear with me that if my pronunciation is not perfect. I can assure you that I will put in a lot of effort into preparing the workshops, the content of it, to make it clear and meaningful to you guys. Now, while my pronunciation is not perfect, I believe that the content itself is more important than my pronunciations. All right, and hopefully that each of you guys can understand this, because the only language that we speak is money. And my objective over here is that to share more knowledge, insight, ideas, strategy about trading to you guys, which these are the more important element as part of the trading. All right, and if it's okay that you guys don't understand my language or something that you want to clarify, always feel free to ask into the chat box. Okay. Now, I can guarantee you we're going to start the session on time, but I cannot guarantee you when we will end the session, because from my past experience, all the students know that you join my class, very likely that I will extend my class 30 minutes to 1 hour later, because the more you ask, the more I will be throwing answer to you guys. Hence, you will be extend a little bit further from there. And this is why my mentor always told me, there will be plenty of time for you to sleep once you are dead. So if you think that sleep is more important than learning how to trade for the rest of your life, then you can excuse yourself. But if you want to learn more how to stay positive, welcome to stay and continue to learn with me along this 4-day session. All right. Lastly, did you guys agree that the quality personality is I mean, the quality personality is the most important element when come into knowing a certain person or work with a certain person. For me, I can guarantee that all the rules and culture that I mentioned, I say what I mean and mean what I say. For your information, this workshop is designed for beginner to intermediate traders who want to learn a better skill to be a trader. It's for serious trader to make a serious living money out of trading. What I can guarantee is that this is going to be a super practical workshop. There is a challenge involved as well, but I won't just teach you how it trades. I will guide you, and even I will push you to do the trades, because practice make perfect. Now my question is that, are you serious in learning how to trade, how to become a serious profitable trader in the market? Right, type the yes in the chat box if you are serious in trading, and type in the yes if you are ready to get started to learn about robot trading and start change your life to use robot in your trading. All right, so these are all rules and culture, and thank you so much for typing in the yes into the chat box. Now, since you guys asked about the myth, right, let me change to this slide. Let's settle this problem first. All right, what is the biggest reason that cause trader to lose in the market? And we need to know why we lose at the first place, so that you know this is something to avoid, and then you will know how to be a profitable trader. Commonly, right, this is how people start in trading. Ethan, I want to learn trading. You know why? I want to be financial freedom. Then he showed me this kind of advertisement. You see? Wow, some guy click buy. Oi, just click on it, withdraw. Wow, so easy make profit. So easy, right? Profit is just a click of the button. Then the question is like me lor. So easy meh? If that is so easy to make money, why I'm still losing? Well, a lot of you guys have been answered it because of emotions. But the question is that in trading, which part of the element that cause emotion? Let's have a look in detail first. First thing first, when you do trading, what is the first step? Your first step is to analyze the market if there will be up or down. All right, you are checking that it is uptrend, downtrend. Normally, if your IQ is normal persons, all right, you can pass your secondary school. Then follow this step-by-step instruction on seeing the market struck indicator, whatever it is. You can almost analyze that, okay, based on this, I think that later will be sell. Follow SOP, almost no problem. And there's no emotion involved as well. Am I right or not? I type a yes in the chat box. Analyze is easy. But the next problem is that when you come into execution of the trades, now the problems come in. When we start to build some trade in it, let's say they want to buy the market, you'll either be fear, you'll be FOMO. Hey, should I enter the trade or not? What if I enter the trade later? I should not enter so early. I should enter or not? I'm not sure yet. Then the thing related to your support, resistance is over here. Everything related to your stop loss, take profit, lot size, risk, reward, right? So these are some of the jargon. Okay, later I'll cover more of this. But when you start to think about all these things, before you open a trade on money management, you start to have fear. Can I enter a trade or not? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay lah. I decided to open a trade. Let's say that you already click a button to buy right now over here. Then, if you are in winning, you will be fear. Should I close the trade right now? Alright, halfway profit. If I don't close later, halfway come down, how leh? If I close already later, it goes out even further, how leh? Right? If you are in losing money, then you say, stupid me lah. I should not enter the trade. I entered too early already. I should wait it pull back, then goes up later. Right or not? So we conclude a few things. Number one, the reason that why you are emotional in trading is because of not because of analysis, but because of one thing only. Because you see your account is in losses. You see your account profit and loss floating up and down and down. These are the things that cause you to be emotional. Then you say, no, I got to change this problem. I think that my analysis is not accurate enough. So you come to this workshop, hopefully that you can learn something and then draw your chart to become like this. And then draw, and put in a lot of indicator, hopefully to be more accurate, but you end up more confused, in the end, losing even more money. Instead of adding accuracy, but you're adding more losses. How many of you in the end face this problem? Aiyo. So many lines, so many indicators, until I also don't know what I'm doing already. Alright, how many of you have the same problem right now? Right, can type Aiyo in the chat box. So what I'm going to do is that I will teach you a super duper strategy even a 7-year-old kid can understand. And what I would like to do is that one click of button, delete everything on your chart. And from this 4 days, I will make your strategy as clear as possible. You will be surprised at how profitable that this strategy can make. Alright. So now, before I get started, right, I actually want to get to say some jargon first, because some of you guys are totally new, alright? So what I will do is that let me explain first this jargon on trending market and ranging market and what is the thing that you should be doing. The myth, okay, so we talk about jargon first. Trending market, when you can see the market moving up, up, up. In short, this we call it as uptrend market. Okay? Jargon means hard word. Okay, trading keyword. Uptrend. Okay. Why there is an uptrend? Very simple. There is more buyer than seller. For beginners, what I will say is that when you see an uptrend, focus on one thing. Because there are more buyer than seller, hence you focus to buy only. And this is what we call it as downtrend. And because the market is just moving lower and lower, when there is a downtrend, why is it happen? Because there is more seller than the buyer. So you should focus to sell only. Okay? And next thing is that if you can see the market moving sideways, or what we call this as ranging market, that means that people that are willing to buy and willing to sell is in balance. People that buy and sell is in balance. Hence, you can do buy low and sell high. Okay, so this is the first thing. Very important topics. If you see uptrend, buy only. If you see a downtrend, sell only. And you only do buy low, sell high when the market looks like this. Alright, we call that ranging. Regardless of time frame, it's based on the pattern of the market. Next, how to make money? I think simple words, buy low, sell high. Okay, the market that we are trading is called as CFD. Okay, and the CFD including a variety of it, including futures, options, spot, and etc. Alright, so CFD is a concept that you can buy and you can sell independently. Okay, meaning that you can buy the market over here, and when you buy up, you make money. When you buy, it goes down, you make losses. And when you sell, it comes down, you make money. If it goes up, you make losses. So you can sell even without you buying it, because this you sell, then you can buy back later on. So you just think of it like this. If you think the market will goes up, you buy. If you think the market will comes down, you sell. And you must choose to close the trade in order to realize the profit. Okay, you must close the trade. Let's say that it goes up, you buy it goes up, close it, and then profit. You sell, it comes down, you close the trade, then you'll be in profit. Okay, now this is a basic thing. And from the survey that I can summarize, these are all of the common market that you guys would like to trade. And I can see that there's quite a big variety of the group. So is it okay that when we come to any analysis, right, when I ask any market that you want me to do case study, the first one that type in the chat box, I will take it as a case study. But don't tell me Forex, don't tell me crypto. If you want, be very specific. Stock, what kind of stocks? Market, what kind of market? Okay, like gold, Forex, I don't know anything already, then I'll ignore you. Okay, you want, then you tell me exactly which one that you want to come in first. Okay? Now, before we get started, alright, I would like to do a demo to you guys that how does a robot trading operate. But do not take any screenshot, no photo tagging, no recording. Do we have a deal over here, right? Because what I'm going to show you is the real robot execution in the real life market. Okay? If it's all okay to you guys, click an OK into the chat box. Right? Type an OK in the chat box. Okay, yeah? Good. Now, so I believe that every one of you do knows who is iPhone, right? So what I'm going to do is that I will be connecting my phone to the computer. And I will be demonstrating to show you guys that how I do robot trading with my phone. Okay? And right now, hey Siri, what to trade today?
Based on month-to-date price movement, the best market to trade now is buying silver due to year-end effect. Buying have a winning rate of 71.98%. Would you like to open the trade? What's the text?
Yes, open the trade.
Based on your capital and current market risk, I calculated that the best lot size to buy silver is 0.31 with a max risk of 0.63% with hidden TP and SL. Please confirm if you want to buy now. What's the text?
Yes, please.
I have just opened a buy trade for you.
Okay, so I just commanded the robot, and based on the robot, it do what? It summarized all of the markets for me and tell me that which market is best probability to buy, and also tell me the win rate is about 71%. So I'm okay with it, and then I enter for the trades. So entering a trade is automated executed already. Now, for sake of demonstrations, let's say that I would like to close a trade. So, hey Siri, check my trades.
You just opened a buy trade on silver. Anything?
Wait, check my trades.
I don't know what you mean by.
Check my trades.
I don't understand.
Hey Siri, check my trades.
You just opened a buy trade on silver. Anything I can help? What's the text?
Close the trade for me.
The trade is just opened recently. If you close now, you may suffer some loss. Please confirm if you really want to close the trade. What's the text?
Yes, please.
Noted. Closing all the trade now. The trade is closed now.
Okay, so you see, the trade has been disappeared, and pretty much the robot has just closed the trade for me. Okay, so two things: how to open the trades and how to close the trades. There's one more thing that often people forget. You need to withdraw the profit also, right? So, hey Siri, check my trade. No.
You just
Hey Siri, check my account.
You have 3 accounts. Which one you are referring to? What's the text?
I would like to take out some of my profit to go for my Christmas party. Tell me that which account that I can withdraw for my salary.
Based your requirement, you may close account number 3 with floating of $583 profit. Would you like to close the trade and withdraw the profit now? What's the text?
Yes, close the threads and withdraw all the profit to my Wise account.
Noted. Closing trade. Withdrawing profit to your Wise account. Here is the proof of your withdrawal.
Okay. I think it withdraw the wrong account, but then not bad. $6,000 withdraw to my Wise account. And just now we have been demonstrated entry, exit, and risk management, or more on money management. So let's say that you want to do all in one go. The comment will be, hey Siri, start robot trading now.
The market is very volatile recently, especially on gold and Bitcoin. It may increase risk on your portfolio. Please confirm if you would like to continue. What's the text?
Yes, I would like to trade right now, but then please using RSI and moving average to smooth out the risk on my trading account.
Noted. Starting Alpha Robot now. Estimate trading duration is 45 minutes. Risk setting is moderate risk. The Alpha Robot has been set up. All the best.
Okay, so it had been set up, the robots, and now I can just leave my phone over there. And then within this 45 minutes, it will close, open the trade, whatever. The thing that need to be done, it will done automatic by the robots over here. How many of you that this is like, very cool, alright? It's like a wow to you guys. Alright, type of the wow in the chat box. Alright, and wow, really cool, alright? Just wow. And hot pen. Okay, so that is how the robot can be done. And that is a level of robot trading that we are having. Alright, no more hard pen. Alright. So what I'm going to do in this 4-day workshop is that I will slowly build the thing bit by bit. Alright. And to show the building blocks of the system in order to get to this final level. Okay. This is like fairy tale to me. Absolutely awesome. Alright. So my next question is that how many of you would like to see that how the live fully automated robot being run by the robots? Alright. Type a me into the chat box. So exactly based on this, right, you can set your risk. I will teach you how to set your risk first before you can go in. But you want to, then the sky is the limit. Alright, like what you can see here, $297 profit per day. Alright. If you want to, you like to trade gold, right? I think that there are a lot of you guys, 150% ROI using the robot just now. You just open 3 trades, can make profit already. How? Now the bot just tell you when to enter. You just based on the time, do the thing, say the thing that's needed, then done already lah. Alright. This is what can be done in robots. There's the execution of it. 2021, let's say that you like to go $239 profit in 14 days. 2022, $7,851 profit in 14 days. 2023, $10,974 profit in just 38 days. Yes, exactly. Just whatever the tell, it tells us which one have a highest win rate, then we just follow that sector. Alright. You want to trade in any market can be done. US market can, forex market can, crypto market also can. Any market can be traded. Hence, are you ready to get started to transition to robot trading? I think pretty much you are ready right now. So just get started into the session. But before that, I also would like to upfront mention to you that building up this series robot to this level, alright, you won't be starting straight away from floor 10 and jump all the way to sky, right? We have to get on a proper foundation first, grasp the right logic, the risk management, the trading terms, whatever it is, so that you have solid foundation, only you can build a building on top of it. I know that you guys are very excited and how to advance your trading, but learning to drive takes time and takes experience. Learning to trade takes time and experience as well. Alright, so today we will get started with some basics first. How many of you are a beginner in trading? Let's say that you're trading less than 3 months or never get started. Or I can type 0 in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box that how many of you are totally basic and don't know anything. Okay. Yeah, so we have Wong Ru here, right? Nazar, Elimi, Tian, Rick. So I know that you guys are beginners, and what I will be doing throughout this 4 days is that I will get started my sessions from ground all the way step by step to the top. Okay, hence today I would like to catch all of the basic important terms in trading first, and let's get this started step by step. Will it be okay for everyone that we start on the same common ground first and later we build up step by step? All right, if it's all okay, can type okay or not. All right, you guys say what? Okay. So today, the first thing that I would like to teach you guys is some of the basic indicator that of course need to be used by the robot one. Alright, this is called a relative strength index, in short RSI indicator. This is a very simple indicator that measure the momentum of the market. Basically, if measure that the current market is in uptrend or downtrend, momentum to upward or momentum to downward. Now, for trading, most of the time we will be using TradingView. It's available in Android and also available in iOS. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you guys. If you're using computer, that would be even the best. So what you will need to do is just go to your computer there. Okay, the website is called www.tradingview.com, right? So this is a place to go to. Okay. Now, my next question is, what is the market that you guys would like me to take it as a case study right now? Right, type in the chat box. First come, first serve, gold market. Okay, so this is the gold market, and it's very nice to trade. Now, what I'm going to do right now is that I will go to indicator here and get started with the basic RSI, which is this one. Okay, now this RSI, when you click, you will get this. Okay, stay focused first. See back. You will see this. For me, I will be using starting from H1 time frame. Okay, H1 time frame. Now, what you can see over here is that this RSI indicator is having a behavior of, we call it as oscillations. What does oscillation mean? You see, there are two type of indicator only. One type of indicator is either that always up or always down. Okay, so this kind of indicator is more like it will be up, down, up, down, up, down, down, and within this kind of cycle. And usually with this kind of cycle, there is a repetitive pattern of it. What is it? Okay, I give you guys an extreme example. When you reach to the top of the RSI, it will be reaching to the top of the candlestick as well. When you reach to the bottom of the RSI, it will reach to the bottom of the candlestick as well. Same to here and here. Okay. And if you carefully look in loud, is that every single time when it reach the top, afterward RSI will be coming down, followed by the price coming down as well. If it bottom, it will be up, up. The top and bottom of the RSI is what people call it as RSI 30, 70. Okay, 30, 70. Now, next topics. Since we know that at the bottom, it will be up. Okay, at the top, it will be down. Okay, my question is that at the bottom, we can choose to buy. At the top, we can choose to sell. Right? So what we can do? We can just follow the signal. But the question is that there are few ways to enter the trade. 1 and 2. Let's say that we focus on buy trade first. 1, 2. Okay. is either that you cross down or you cross up. Cross down, we call it as number 1 method. Then when it cross down at this point, you straight away enter for a buy trade. When you wait until it cross up at this point, you can make another buy. Call this number 2. So my question is that which one is more good to use to trade? Number 1 or number 2 type? Okay, number 1 is that you buy at here. Number 2 is that you buy at here. 1 or 2. Okay, so there are 2, 2, 2, 2. All right, there are some 1 as well in the chat box. Okay, now 1 and 2 is depends on which type of trader are you in. Okay, so let me just quickly summarize. 2 is the best for beginner. Okay, 2 is the best for beginner. So this is topic number 1. On RSI entry, buy when it cross up. Alright, so you see this is the bottom. You wait until the bottom and when it cross up, only you enter. Second level is that now you have to know that 1 and 2, the pro and cons of it. Because every single thing, there must be a pro and there's a con. Correct or not? So which one is more aggressive and which one is more conservative? Now, both sides, the pro of this is that you will be able to capture most accurate entry. We call it as, because we would like to catch one thing. When the market down, straight away buy, then when we buy, it is the most bottom of the market, just nice at the bottom. Now, that is only entitled for people that you trade on number 1. As soon as you touch RSI, you enter already. Because there are a lot of time, RSI will just touch and run away. So if you are the person that have that kind of aggressiveness, don't care anything, enter first, see later, then you will be able to profit from here. What if it come down even further? That is a con already. The drawdown will be large. You will be having a very accurate entry so that your profit will be high, but then your drawdown will be high as well because it can keep going against you. But the pro side on this thing, right? Once it cross out to enter a trade, the advantage is that it's more confirmed. We call it as the market is confirmed going up already, only you enter. At least there's a momentum started in your favor. This is more to people that is conservative. At least the drawdown can be lower down. Drawdown stands for risk lah. Your risk will be lower down on this side. But the con is that if you enter here, indirectly, it also means that market already pull back. Meaning that, like this case, alright, very good example. You buy here, does it goes up? Yeah, it goes up here. Then finish already. That's it for the day. Hint, it will not be, it will not be a lot of profit. Your profit will be lesser compared to this one because you are not really captured at the bottom already. You are captured at the pullback, and probably the con is that it up a bit then down already. So there is a pro and con of these two strategy. But for beginner, you just need to know that this is where that you should buy. Okay? So far so good. Type a yes in the chat box if you can understand what I'm saying. RSI to buy at the first start is a buy that is cross up. Good. Don't understand? I give another example. Okay, so this is a very good extreme example whereby there is a cross up, there's a cross down. So right now, this example is that I want to sell. Sell is opposite of buy. To sell it, to MA to come down, to sell it, to MA to come down, it required you to, we call this as sell to come down. And same thing, which one is better, A or B? As soon as it cross up or after it pull back down? Right, type into the chat box. Correct. B is more suitable for beginner. As you can see, right, selling at A versus selling at B, B in this picture is more good entry lah. All right. So let me just summarize here that RSI, in order for you to buy, I write like this. So RSI, there is a 30 and 70 okay. So for you to buy is when it crossing up, okay, and for you to sell is when it goes all the way up, crossing down at like this. Cross up buy, cross down, then you make a sell. Now you cannot just enter you need to know when to exit also. How to exit a trade? Then it will depend on the another side of the game. Another side of the game is here. Okay, meaning that I get you guys to be a clearer pictures. We talk about RSI first. RSI, when it cross up, this is the place that you buy at where? At 30. When it goes all the way up to around 70, okay, would you choose to close when it cross up at 70 or before 70? I give you guys one more choice. 3 and 4. Option 3 or 3 or 4. Would you close when it cross up 70 or before 70? All right, 3 or 4. Okay, some of you guys say it's 3, some of you guys say it's 4. 4 for beginner. The answer is 4 for beginners, 3 for experienced people. And the real answer is in between 3 and 4. Now, let me give you guys a good example. So let's say that this is RSI cross below already. So you make a buy here. Okay, so it's somewhere here. So actually you buy here is very good entry. But then you see, in the future, the RSI have never reached to 70 wall. You're still waiting until you're losing money already. Halfway in between, there are so many chances that you can exit for profit, but you don't. Hence, in any place in between here, you can exit one. Alright, you can exit for profit one. So any point in between here, you can exit already. In short, it just means that when you close up, you close buy. Okay, buy here, close buy over here. When it turn down, cross down, this is where that you start to sell. And when you close sell, here, close sell. Okay, so this is a simple pictures. Alright, I can just draw it out. So you buy here, close here, sell here, close here. That's it. Okay, this is the level 1 of trading. Okay, super clear instructions. Now, the thing is that right now, you know that when to buy and when to sell. The problem is, okay, before I continue, so far okay, Right, if you are okay, right, type okay in the chat box. How to get this RSI from a chart? From indicator. Okay, then you type RSI. RSI. Good. Right now, the problem is, you see that the reality is this market is in uptrend. And you see that this thing, you should be buy only. But when you see this, Hey, I want to buy. Eason told me RSI 30 to enter one, oh. But it had never be 30. How I enter the trade, oh, right? So then you will have a question. Eason, what time frame is the best for RSI? Ah? So this is for level 1 beginner. Okay? For level 2 trader, is that you need to know RSI is not 30 and 71. It will be fluctuate up and down. And the way that you should use it is dot and dot connect the line. And the place that you enter, instead of 30-70, 30-70, now it turn to mean you can see this kind of pattern of it. This is place that you should buy. Even that you buy it here. Alright, after that it doesn't go up. Okay, it still goes up in the later one. Just maybe smaller momentum. You buy it here, it goes up. You buy it here, it still goes up. Right? So what I'm saying is that 30 and 70 is a initial guidance. Okay? But the real RSI may shift out and down a little bit. Hence, you want to buy because it's uptrend. Because it's uptrend, hence you focus to buy only, and hence your RSI is to look into the downside and just focus dot and dot connect together where to buy it. Now, that is level 2. Adjust it based on market. And level 3, okay, now this is more toward people that's intermediate. You have been training for some time. We call it optimization. So what does optimization mean? Optimization is something like, remember when you do driving, okay, your environment is very, very noisy, beep, beep, bah, bah, especially jam, right? So you cannot listen to the audio. What do? You go to the note there, tweak up to make it more louder. The weather is so hot, you tune down the aircon. Suddenly too cold, you adjust back a bit. This process is what we call it as optimization. Tweak the indicator to fit to the current market. Okay, let's take another example. Give me another market other than gold. Bitcoin. Wow, very interesting. BTC USD. Wow, Shiba pula come up. Okay. Bitcoin. I take this as a good example. So you see this, Eason told me RSI 30, 70, but I always see that it goes to 80, then it always comes to 25. You can see it always comes to 80 or 80, 24. How can I trade more? You see, it always overshoot so much, right? This is what we call it as noise. Okay. Hence, what we do is that we will be adjust the market, tune it to fit the market. So just go to the screw here, tweak down the RSI or tweak up or tweak down. You can see that when I tweak down, what happened to RSI? Wow, it's even more sharp, up and down. Okay, I cannot tweak it backward. Tweak it back, tweak it back, tweak it back, tweak it back, tweak. This is just nice. You see? Right now, the RSI was just perfect. That touch a bit, come down already. Touch a bit, come up. Touch down, up, down, up, down, and so on and so forth. Meaning that the problem that you face is, regardless what time frame, why the RSI is not accurate one, tweak it first lah. It's something like you cannot go to the car. Why the aircon is not cold? Tweak it lah. Right? Not cold enough, tune it. Alright. So for example, I take one more other market. Okay, oil. US oil. Okay, my RSI line is 27. Yes. Okay, so 27 is based on what I'm seeing right now. If you're referring these recordings, maybe like 2 months later, it may not be 21 already. Okay, let's say I go to 5-minute time frame oil. Okay, none of people trading on it before. You see, this one I don't need to tweak or just perfect up down up down up down, that moving in this kind of cycle already. Then this is market that automatic to be good lor, right? What if I go to daily? Oh, you see, this kind of daily market, never touch up and let's say never touch up and down one. How to trade war, tweak it all. All right, you adjust a little bit first. Then you see it just touch bottom more nicely, touch up more nicely. Okay, I tweak until a level that bottom and top is touched, come down, touch, come down. Maybe there is extended or need to go up a little bit. 1 or 2 is fine. Okay, we cannot make sure that everything is perfect because market is not perfect. So you tweak up, down, visually up and down, good enough, then that is the right setting already. Okay. Once I tweak the setting on Forex, will the RSI tweak on all platforms like stock? No. Individual market, individual time frame got individual setting one. Meaning that if you get your settings on Forex on 5 minutes, then there is Forex for 5 minutes only. Okay. So that is for RSI, number 1. Second thing, the next indicator that I want to introduce is called as moving average. In short, MA. Now this is a super basic indicator that just average out the price in the past. Okay, average out the price in the past. How to use it? Same thing in TradingView. By the way, all the things that I'm teaching here, you can use it using TradingView free version enough. Okay, let me delete everything first. And I will take another one more example, Euro USD. Okay, and getting moving average. You just type in MA, then you should be see this moving average simple over here. Get 2 line in. One line to be 10, another line to be 20. So these are the 2 common moving average line. Okay. Now based on this indicator, how to use it commonly is cross up, you buy, cross down, you sell. Let's give a extreme example first. How to buy? Just like I said, conventional is that you cross up, you buy. Question is, when you cross up, is where? Is here. Okay, you can buy it. This is number 1. When it cross up, as soon as it cross up, you immediately buy. Number 2, you cross up, ready to pull back, come up again second time. This is where that you enter. Meaning that moving average cross, candlestick up still cross, you ready pull back, confirm pull back already, got reverse something like U-turn, then you enter again. This is number 2. Okay. Number 3, I don't care. As soon as price go beyond moving average, halfway it re-enter. This is moving average. These 2 line right? As soon as it cross, the candlestick just stand above, straight away down. Number 4, macam looks like very close, want to cross already. Before it cross, you straight away enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one that you think will be the best? Still can get me? Let me repeat. This is moving average. Number 1 is that when it cross up, confirm, enter. This is number 1. Okay, cross up, confirm number 1. Then second is that it pull back down, then go back up again. This is number 2. Confirm, stay above, only enter. Number 3 is that you don't care anything. As long as this candlestick cross above. Number 3. And number 4, don't even have cross. Just seems like going to be cross. Seems like straight enter. Okay. So we got 3, 2, 1, 4, 2 with confirmation. 2 is the confirmation. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4. Alright. Seems like the answer could a lot of variation right now. And then you guys should be knowing that moving average is one of the basic but hardest indicator to be used. The answer is number 1 is for beginner. Don't care anything lah, alright? Cross, enter, straight. Number 2 is for people that have more free time. Because you really have to wait, it come back down and go back confirmation. Too much waste all the time. But the best is that you have a confirmation, But the poor thing is that your confirmation come after the price has been some upward movement already. Second upward movement is like you're wasting a lot of profit. Okay. Number 3 is for aggressive type of people. Okay, I don't need to be super confirmed, but roughly when confirmed to cross up, okay, when there's a big candlestick shoots above, I straight away enter first and I see later. And there's a strict risk management. And number 4 type of trader is that I don't care. I want to be accurate. This number 4 type is still one thing. Okay, I talk about to beginner, to experienced trader. Okay, this is to experienced trader only. It will be very, very helpful for you to learn this thing. Is that the logic is that if you can notice, I hide this, then you can roughly see. Can you see that every single time when the market is go far beyond moving average, when you go far beyond, I mean you take a ruler, then you can measure here to here. It's very, very far away. When there is a very, very far away from moving average, there is a tendency that market will push it back to moving average. Okay? Hence, before even it cross, you can start to buy already. Then you can keep buying up to the market. Remember just like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 type of people. Number 4 is as long as there is more and more buy signal, just keep buying up. And where you're going to close? Now, close when big candle. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. I've been showing you guys in the chart later. But visually is that what I mean is when you, let's say that you buy here, where would you able to close it? Big candlestick. Here you can close it already. Okay? As long as you see a big candlestick confirmed to be there, close it. Let's say that you make a sell. When you see a big candlestick, you can close it. Okay? The time frame that you enter, the time frame that will be your exit. Okay? In short, let me summarize. Level 1 is you buy when it cross up. As soon as it cross up and it stay above, then you can buy already. How to sell? When it cross down the moving average and the candlestick stay below it, then you can start to sell already. That is a beginner. Close, buy when there is a big upward candlestick. Sell means close, sell when there is a big downward candlestick. Okay, one is upward, one is downward. Big candlestick. Okay. So far, can you understand? Alright, type a yes in the chat box if you can understand. Type a no that if you cannot understand. Okay, fantastic. I saw the question. Why I'm using SMA 10 and SMA 20? Why I'm using 10 and 20? Good questions. So my question to you guys is that based on the current market, let's say that I want to base on the level 1 rules. I want to buy here, or buy, then suddenly change to sell, sell, then change to buy, change to sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. How many of you have always faced a problem that when you want to follow a strategy like what I'm showing, a level 1 strategy, you follow the instruction blindly, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, end up keep on losing money? You always have a problem that when you make a strategy, right, you buy, it comes down. When you sell, it goes up. Is that the problem that you're facing or not? Is this the problem? Like you buy it at the top. When you want to make a cross down already, you want to sell is where? Sell is here. You always buy at the top, sell at the bottom. Damn, every time. Then the question is that, have you double checked on the indicator? Is this a noise or a signal at the first place? Why don't that you do a simple thing? You take the moving average, okay? All you need to do is to tweak a little bit on the numbers. All you need to do is just one number. You see this 20? 10 to 4. Maybe I change to 40. Okay? And this line, I change to 30. For example, wouldn't it be much more nice to use? What does it mean like nice to use? You see, cross down, then cross down lah. Cross down, then all the way down lah. Just close your eyes, wait it to cross out only. Okay. Market is not perfect. It's enough for you to make profit here to here. Sometimes may lost some money also lah. But the rest is still come down, right? Uptrend still goes up. Downtrend still goes down. As long as technical wise, you can see that the trend is long enough, it's more smooth, fine. That is the right indicator to use. That's the right setting to use. Then someone is asking, not advisable to use EMA? Good questions. Now this experience question already lah. In moving average, there are EMA, SMA, WMA, da. So for me, this is just a matter of optimizations. So let's say that for me, I more prefer to use we call this as WMA. Okay? LWMA. Where is the name called again? Moving average weighted. Okay? Moving average weighted. So for a basic plan, I am only able to use 2 indicators, so I will be deleting out this 30 line, exchange for WMA. So maybe I change the setting to be 30. So for this, compared to just now lah, alright, then you do a comparison you yourself, alright. Would this be a better line, more smooth, or I change this to be 40, for example? Let's see. Would this be more smooth, more close to the signals, like what you guys can see? As soon as the market goes up, it starts to cross already. Okay, then it seems like coming down already, start to sell here. They come down. So historically, we have been proven that this has been working well, and it's pretty smooth in the market. All right, you can see that it's smooth down, smooth up, smooth down, smooth up. That means that this will be the right combination of the setting to use in the future. All right. Now I know that this is a bit complicated already, and why I'm talking to this is talk to more experienced trader. Okay. In fact, for beginner traders, today you will just need to know that a few things. Okay, let me summarize over here. Later I summarize lah. Alright, let me answer this question first. Okay, multi-time frame. A lot of you guys having this problem in your head right now. Ethan, okay, I love what you're sharing, but I got a damn big problem in trading. The problem is, when I analyze the charts, I notice that my daily time frame tell me to be downtrend. My H1 time frame tell me to be uptrend. My 15-minute time frame tell me to be ranging. And then I'm confused. How many of you face this problem before, right? Type a me in the chat box. Now, if you don't know what I'm saying, tell you lah, right? This is a good example. Okay, so guys, in this chart, tell me that is uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. This is a 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a 1 hour time frame. Tell me is uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. You don't know, you just make a guess, alright? Especially for beginner, you don't know, you also make a guess. Uptrend. Okay, good. I think kids can also understand this is an uptrend. Okay, next questions. Uptrend, downtrend, or ranging? Good. Ranging. Right, everyone can see this? Okay, it is ranging. And then this 15-minute time frame, uptrend, downtrend, or ranging? 15-minute time frame, uptrend, downtrend, ranging. Okay, same, also ranging. 1 minute time frame, uptrend, downtrend, or ranging? Downtrend. Perfect. Questions. Now you see that daily time frame is uptrend. H1 is ranging. M15 is ranging. 1 minute is downtrend. The conclusion is uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. Or you don't know, you just haha. Alright, you're confused already. Then what you do? Call Ethan. Ethan, what is the best time frame to use? I think that I should buy or should sell. Then ask Siri pula. Then 1 minute tell me to sell. Daily tell me to buy. H1 tell me to stop. True or not? Which correction is correct? I can tell you lah. If you don't know how to fix this problem, always you will face a problem. 100% of the time, you will be confused one because of this time frame issue. You have to learn how to combine it. Okay? If you're asking me what is the best time frame, I'll tell you all time frame is the best. Because the trick here is, let me listen again. The trick is, if daily time frame move up by 100 pips, okay, we say 100 points. Would 1 minute time frame move up by 100 points? Of course, yes. H1 will goes up by 100 points? Also, yes. Meaning that it should be the same. Does Euro USD daily time frame equal to Euro USD 1 minute? Are they the same Euro USD? Let me give you an example, right? So if I would like you guys to focus, this is GBP USD, daily time frame in this small region. Tell me that it's uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. Uptrend, downtrend, or ranging for this small box of regions. Down, good. Then this one, uptrend, downtrend, or ranging on the same small box as well. Good. You can also see is downtrend. This is in 4 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. Oi, suddenly all the time frame is the same already. Listen what you are saying. Can you please give example or not? I know lah what you guys are thinking. Okay. So I take one of the market that someone was asking just now. GBP JPY. I don't know how GBP JPY looks like right now, but I can guarantee you that it has the same behavior. I get you guys to see this magic show. Okay, this is the show right now. So if I would take the market move from here to here, okay, very obvious already. From here to here is a V shape, correct? It's a V shape. This is 4-hour time frame. In daily, is this a V shape? Yes, it is. In 1-hour time frame, is this still a V shape? Yes, it is. In 30-minute time frame, is this still a V shape? V shape. Okay, a big V shape. 15 minute. Is this still a V shape? Same wall. Look again. This is 30 minute, 15, 13, 15, 30, 1 hour, 30, 15 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. What if it's 1 hour, 1 minute? 1 minute time people say it's very different, right? If you look at this, is this a V shape? Shape. Just very, very long. But is it the same thing? Right? How many of you can start to see this already? Right? Can type aha in the chat box. Aha in the chat box. I mean, what I'm doing is that I just box out the time frame area, and right now, all time frame is the same thing already. How many of you still cannot see this? Right? Type a no in the chat box. Then I take one more example. All right, you can see this and type aha in the chat box. Aha, aha. Still cannot, Good. This is gold market. Some people say that gold market is uptrend. Some people say that it's downtrend. You see, this is uptrend, right? Then this is downtrend. Tell you guys one thing. What if I say that I just want to see this area? Okay, this area only. H4, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. Guys, can you see this? Is it all downtrend? Listen, I can see this already. Finally, I can start to see all time frame is the same, right or not? I can see this already. But what is the relationship between this indicator and the time frame? I give you a very simple example. Okay. Okay, I take Euro USD. So if you have a time, you take a pen, draw a circle here, and draw a circle here. Let's say that I am showing you guys that at this date, the RSI reached to 30 max and come down from here. This reached to the bottom at this date. Okay, this is in 1 hour time frame. RSI reached to the top and also reached to the bottom, top and bottom. And right now, you use the same setting from 1 hour time frame change to 30 minutes. Within the same area, is it still the peak? See the bottom? Yes, it is. Here. Within the same area, is it still reach to the peak? Still reach to the bottom? Yes, it is. Alright, of course it may off a few minutes because of more and more details of the candlestick come out. But is this still the same entry level? Same price, just the same level. Regardless of the time frame, you will end up in the same signals because the price movement in any time frame is the same. That is the biggest myth of the trader that I had to solve, number one. Meaning that you don't tell me that your strategy is what accurate at which time frame. No, it should be accurate in all time frame. If it only accurate in one time frame, that is what we mean by curve fit, or in short, too good to be true. The true thing is that one strategy should be profit in all time frame because all time frame is the same market. Okay, so that is a key point here. And another $1 million question is that right now you have been learning about RSI, moving average, these two things only. Then some of you guys having this question in mind. Which one is the best indicator? You just tell me which one, alright? I focus on that one, master it until it become a golden strategy for me. Please just tell me that one that has worked the best. How many of you have this thought in your mind? Alright, just honest with yourself, type a me in the chat box if you have this thought. And I can tell you, if you are thinking in this way, congratulations, you will never make profit out of trading. Why? Let's think very easily. If you only have one indicator or you only learn one strategy, okay, this is how it will be like. I give a scenario. Let's say that you are a chef, okay? Your strategy is to cook a super nice fried rice. Right now, the question is, can you use exactly the same formula to cook this fried rice for the kids that love heavy taste and cook the same recipe to elderly people that prefer less salty food? Alright, of course, no, right? You understand what I'm saying is that can you remain the same strategy to use in all different type of market environments? Of course, no. So in the trading, right, the market can easily classify into two categories: mean reversal and trend following. A mean reversal is a market that is like this. Trend following is a market like this or this. Typical market is stocks lah, indexes lah, crypto lah. Alright. Mean reversal market is more like Forex and Forex. Okay. When you are more mean reversal type of market, it could be like this, or it could be zigzag upward, or it could be zigzag downward. This type of market is more suitable to use RSI, and whereby the market that you can see is either that it always up or always down is more suitable in using moving average. In short, you guys can take a photo of this. This is how you trade in different type of market situations. If your market is more like zigzag, then each of the way to do it is you just buy low, sell high. Okay, so buy low, sell high is that you buy at RSI around 30 there, you can buy already, or RSI at 70, you can buy. Vice versa, just now remember the concept of moving average. If the price move very, very far, then you can do buy when price is far from moving average, you can sell when it's far from it. Trend following is when it always up or always down. Now this case very special. You can buy if this kind of market is when it cross out 50, you can start to buy already. Or when it cross down, you can start to sell. And another way around is that just cross out to buy or cross out to sell. As simple as that. So for beginner, I will just say that you focus on this. If market is like this, buy at 30.70. If the market is like this, uptrend and downtrend, then focus to cross up buy, cross down, sell. Now, these two are the first starting point. And there are many, many more. Can you combine RSI and moving average together? Can. Then there will be a different usage. Can you use other indicator like super trend? Can. There will be a separate usage as well. So you just need to list out the thing, then there are more and more available tools for you, right? So like what you can see, it's very easy for the market to change over time and time as well. So in the end, right, what does robot trading means and what does it do? Basically, robot trading is a tool to automate the strategy. So when the market is more like ranging, we will use a mean reversal strategy like RSI. When the market is more like trending, okay, sudden up lah, sudden down lah, this kind of market, we use moving average. Then we use moving average type of robot in. Based on the market, we just choose the right robot to go in. And today you learn about the basic of the strategy first. Tomorrow I'm going to share more details with you how to set up all these robots and etc. Now, perhaps until this level, you guys might be thinking, this strategy seems simple to me, but how profitable it will be? The biggest problem that I found is that, how many of you agree with this? When you learn a strategy like what I'm talking just now, it always seems easy and very good to be used. But the problem is that when you want to apply this in the real life market, it becomes so difficult to apply. It becomes blur. Oh, so now Ethan say this, wow, very clear. I open my chart, oh shit. Scratch head, blur, confused to apply. Right, type in the me in the chat box if this is the problem that you face. Seems easy when learning, goes to chart, becomes so difficult. Hence, this is something that we want to do differently. I am a believer on learning through practice. So get yourself refreshed. And what we're going to do is that, you know, as a pilot, they get onto the flight, before they can fly the real thing, they practice a simulation. So same thing. In Alpha Masterclass, we have created a trading simulator. I will throw you into that simulator. Whatever that you have learned just now, you got to apply right now, directly into the simulator. I will get on you with a real feeling, real emotions to get how the real life market works. And then you can start to see that how indicator react to the price, every single thing. You will start to realize that how powerful is this strategy. So this is a trading simulator. But before you get started, right, I will get yourself to a 5-minute break first, so that you can get yourself to be ready, comfortable to do the trading live later. Okay. So what will be happen later is that the chart is going to be a simulated one. I will speed up the candlestick so that you can feel the chart is moving up and down, how you can buy, how you can sell. Of course, today, the first sessions, I will be guiding you the process. But if you are somewhat having experience, you want to try out your new strategy, tweak a bit, now feel free to do so. Okay? Now, I get yourself to have a 5-minute break right now.
So the directions, and then I will look into 5 or 15 minutes for the retracement.
Okay, if you have been back, tap the back into the chat box. Alright, if I have been back, tap the back into the chat box. Hello Samet, hello Raymond, now come back. Hello Jenny, never left. Wow, awesome. Okay, so right now, we will just get started with our training simulations. And since this is the first time, maybe let me go through a few topics first. Tim, can you please help me to share the link of the training simulator into the chat box first? All right, thank you so much. Okay, now, in this training simulator, right, let's get some common ground in terms of our rules into this simulation and how you are going to trade inside to evaluate this strategy. The simplest way is that you just focus on two things. Number one, to generate as much ROI as possible into trades. Number two, with the least drawdown. Drawdown stands for your risk in trading. Okay, your floating losses, your realized losses, both consider as loss. Okay, so by the end of the simulations, we're going to see that how each and every one of you perform with the same indicator, with the same information on the chart, everything the same. Then we're going to see that how profitable trader make profit, how a beginner trader or someone that accidentally make a mistake lost in the trades. Okay, now the duration of the simulations we will get to around 10 to 20 minutes or until a level that we have enough data for every one of you to learn, right? So it's important for you guys to right now get yourself comfortable to trade. And how to help you guys, especially for beginners, is that we will get yourself to these trading behavioral reports. Let's say that you trade later, all right? Sometime in trading, we also don't know that why we profit, right or not? We just thought that it's luck, but luck is not reproducible. So we will get on a robot AI system, check on all of the trade that will be executed, analyze every single thing, and tell you when to buy and when to sell. All right. So it will look something like this. So this, based on this report, it will analyze everything, tell you all of the trading statistics that you are having, tell you that how you should do your risk management better, what are the 3 recommended strategies to improve, and what is the exact indicator that you are using to trade. And why this is so important is that with this kind of exact information, right, you can literally just take this piece of paper, send it to a programmer or send to us, and then we can just use this to, create a robot for you yourself. Based on your strategy, the way that you trade, use this, we analyze it, make it into a robot for you to automate the trades. But in order for this thing to operate properly, you need to make sure that you are serious with this trading account. Treat it like your real on live account. Because if you want to get valuable information out of the robots, you want to get my feedbacks, you want to get my insight on how to improve your trades, trade seriously. You got anything want to test, try it. Later at the end of the session, you can find the difference. Why some people can make a lot of profit, why some people make a lot of losses. And always ask for help if you face any difficulty. All right. Now, Tim, can you help me to share the note for this trading simulator? All right. So first thing first, let me just teach you guys how to get into the trading simulator first. So this is the link to the simulator. All right. And that's used in Google Chrome. It will link you to this page. Looks like this. Okay, it will link you to this page. Now, for the first time, you just sign in with Google. If you still don't know how to sign in with Google, fine. There is a number. You can just tell my team, hey, Bimo, I will need help. And I will need to have we call it as temporary access to you. For today, we will give you a temporary access that you can just straight away key in the email and password, and then you can just sign in. Okay. And then once you sign in, key in the room ID, and you can join for the room. That's it. Okay. So we get everyone to join in the room first while we waiting other people to join. So right now we got 190 of you guys still in the room. So what we're going to do right now is that we will make sure that every one of you join the room first, and then we're going to get started. So when you get into the room, this is what you guys are supposed to see. Okay. So just sign in, log in with Google, and then you'll reach to this level. Okay. Right now, what I will enable for you guys is that this is trade. Later, you will be able to do as simple as this is a buy button, this is a sell button. When you click buy, it will buy at current price. Buy means goes up, make money. If you click for sell, it will sell here, means go down, only you make money. Remember, you need to close the trade in order to realize profit. So later, at the top side, you will see that your buy and sell trades. Buy and sell trades. For buy trades, it referring to your number of buy trade that's holding right now. Sell trade refer to number of sell trade that you are holding right now. Maximum have 5 buying or 5 selling. Hint, what you can do over here is that you can click this max for 5 times, but you want to open more, you have to close it first, right? So meaning that you can click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buy already, then you close it one by one. If you don't know anyway, close all. Okay, you close the trade first, then you can open buy more. You can buy more than 5 provided that you have closed it. This is your opening P&L, and this is your account balance. Account balance stand for, account lah. So I have swiped my credit card, give each and every single one of you a $2,000 to start trading today. Okay, and you will be using this $2,000 to start the trades. When you have any open trades, this you will calculate your floating P and L. Floating P and L, profit and losses, all calculate here. Let's say that your profit $100. The profit will not go to your pocket. This is your pocket. You want to go into your pocket, you have to close all. In order to realize the profit, or you want to realize the losses, you want to cut loss, everything is all in the button of close all. That is the button to use. Okay? And how much per trade? Okay. So that one we ignore for a moment. But for now, we look into indicator first. Okay. So right now, you can see that this yellow line, these 3 lines stand for 3 different type of moving average. I just fixed for you guys and just choose that which one is feasible for you. Okay. So this is MA of 10. The blue one is MA of 20. And this yellow one is MA of 50. And this is the RSI. Okay, as simple as that. So my question to you guys is that based on these charts, okay, based on these charts, there are 3 moving average, right? Which one looks the easiest to understand? 10, 20, or 50, right? Type in the chat box. We don't care the time frame first. Okay, we just say that which one most clearer to you guys. Use your eyes also can see up, down, or ranging one. 10 and 20. Someone say 50. Okay, fine. There is no definite answer for this one actually. Okay, it's more on personal preference. Which one you think is better? Okay, the rules is RSI, buy when it cross up, sell when it cross down. Okay, moving average is, let's say you say it's 50. Those that say 50, cross up, buy, cross down, you sell. That's it. Take profit and stop loss, today we ignore first. Today there's only one goal. How to profit first. Okay, risk management we'll talk in day 3. How to profit is a topic of today. I just want to make sure that you're clear that what is the main thing that you should look into profit in terms of the strategy, how to buy and how to sell. Okay? And how does this strategy profit looks like? One last thing that I've given to you guys is this bot trading. So this bot trading enable over here is to show you guys that how does the bot trade, how does the bot buy, how does the bot sell. Okay? And later I will be pointing to you guys where the bot buy and where the bot sell. The bot will trading together with you, showing an arrows where it buy and where it sell, something like this. Okay? But later I'll point out to you lah, more clearer. Okay. I think I stop for a while first. Before I get started, I just want to confirm a few things that how many of you still not yet joined the room and you have problem in joining it, right? Can type me in the chat box if you have problem or not joining it, okay? Because we have around 180 of you guys in the rooms and still like more than 100 of you guys still not in the room. So I'm not sure that what's the problem that you are facing right now. So my explanation has been very much explained done already. Team, can you please help me to contact these people that have problem cannot log in? Okay. So let me repeat again. The link to go in is this link. You go in, you will see this page. Okay. Quickly contact my team to get a sign-in email and password. Or just sign in with your Google also can. Alright, just get to this link, sign in with your Google. And then you'll be able to join. Alright, the room ID is also there in the chat box. Okay. So because of the time constraint, I have to start right now. So for those that have problem, what you guys can do is that in the chat box, if you guys don't mind, you can PM me or private message me to send me your contact number, so my team can quickly talk to you or can talk to you. I mean, you can just PM my team directly, and then they can send you the credential for you to log in. Okay, without register can log in me. I mean, can just get a temporary login. For now, for those that is already in, okay. For those that is already in, guys, are you ready to start trading right now? You have a ready? Type in ready into the chat box. Alright. Yes, ready. I'm gonna get started with you guys in count 3. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is this demo account? Yes, it is demo account. So for those people that have problem with sign in, quickly talk to my team right now and you'll be able to get access to login. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is that I will be here to teach beginners how to trade. So Robert, what help that you need from my side? Yeah, what help that you guys need from my side? I mean, I can't see the computer that can't go in. Okay, so go to this website here. You can sign in with Google. Okay, so if you're using Google account, try to use this incognito mode. Okay, try to use this incognito mode over here. Yeah. Use Google Chrome with incognito window. Why no movement? Then maybe you should check your internet connection. Okay, So guys, right now has been RSI 17, 16, 20, 20, 21, 20, 19, 17, 18, 19, 17, 27, 23, 23. Would you like to buy right now? Has been crossing up first time to 30. Would you like to buy right now? This is a room ID. Second time crossing up, would you like to buy again one more time? So guys, can you see this? Can you guys see this? Green arrows. Green arrows up, right? As long as the arrow up means buy. The chart does not show any time frame. Don't care about time frame. You do not need to know any time frame to be profitable. Trust me. Ganesh, are you in the room? Are you in the room? Ganesh. Steve, the room ID is here. So Ganesh, can you see this buy button? This sell button? You see you just click buy. Then you have buy and trade here. And can you see this? Opening P&L. This means that your account is running profit or running losses. That's all. Okay, so you see I'm running $24 losses. Nah, just a bit. Okay. And we are trading right now. And this is RSI. So the reason that why I buy is that I'm buying after it cross out, I buy. Then it come down. Fine. I wait for second to goes up. I buy again second time. Then I wait. What is lot size leverage? Day 3 I talk about this. Day 3. So you just need to know that right now maximum trade that you can open is 5 only. Okay, maximum lot size that maximum trade that you can open is only 5. Internet problem kick out. Can I have a link to join again? Okay, I can. So what you guys need to do right now is to take your hand, left hand and right hand, put like this, and sit down properly. I mean, yeah, that is trading. Nothing to do one. So okay, you want to do it right now. See, it have been crossed up from moving average. You can choose to buy right now. ET, for Singapore number, right, what you can do right now is that just key in any number. I mean, just choose any number in Malaysia first. Key in any number first. Doesn't matter. Okay, quick tips over here for those that is quite free. Can you see this? Right on the left side panel here. These are other people are trading on it. So meaning that there are people buying, there are people selling. So what you guys can see right now is that based on your account, balance is your wallet. This is your floating and loss. Equity is whatever this and this plus together. Okay, is whatever these two plus together is called as equity. My long version is showing profit right now. So right now have been crossing 72, 73, 74. You can choose to close profit. Equity positive is good lah, of course. Okay, you can start to close a trade, close by. So the profit, you can see this. When you close the trade, it goes to where? It goes to equity balance already. So your balance are increasing. So that is the first step. Okay, close the trade and close the trade. So this is the profit making process. First thing first, you buy a low, and then at the top there, you close. Why you close by here? Because it crossed out. Okay, even crossed down already. So what would you like to do? Okay, 2k, this RSI been crossed down already, so you can make a forward sell. 2k for you guys to trade after the class. Prove to me that you can make profit from this 2k first. Then we talk about after class thing. So right now you see the price not moving. RSI been crossed down. So what we do is just make a sell, then leave it there. How many of you need explanation? All good? So you see these downward arrows. This arrow that come down mean that the robot is selling here. And up arrows mean robot buying here. Why he buy here? Later, day 2 I explain. Wait for retracement and enter buy again. You can. Correct, you can. For today, what I'm showing is the super duper easy way of trading first. Okay, you see the price has been crossed down the moving average. I enter one more time for sell. Okay, my first sell is here because it crossed down 70. Second, it crossed down moving average. That's it. I cannot go in, Irene. Team, can you please contact Irene? Or Irene, can you PM my team? They will give you a special credential to log into the account. Okay. Listen, my mouse battery dead in the beginning after initial entry, so my training record now koyak, never mind. Samet, this is a good point. If your account is in losses, how can you recover it? That's something you have to think. So the robot buy here, now it is losing until this level, it buy again. So you can see right now the price has been reached to almost the bottom. Okay, and we can see that it can go even further down or not. Team, can you help to communicate with ET to get them into the session? Okay. So now for beginner, you can exactly follow what I'm doing. So what I will do is that I will choose to close sell one time first. Okay, why I do so is because that the price have ever reached the bottom, which I did miss out that did not close, but doesn't matter. I close earlier first, and I see that if I want to close a second time or what. Alright, wish you all the best. Very stagnant. Why we need to close not the bot? Okay, sorry, close first. have a second thought. Think about it. Okay, so what I'm doing just now is that because the price has been pulled back, this is from the bottom, this is at the top. So what you do, it's just at the support resistance. The concept of support resistance pretty much floor and ceiling. Bottom, up, top, down, up, down, up, down. So what you do, buy low, sell high. You buy at the bottom, sell at the top. And now what I'm gonna do is that I'm okay to buy one more time actually. Okay, so because there's a gap here and I choose to, okay, fat finger, I double click already. So I buy one more time at the, supposed to be here at the bottom, but fine. Okay, so once you have entered the trades, then you can just leave it. Okay, and wait until whichever high or low side, then exit the trades. Get it? Now, for those that still haven't get in, you can communicate to my team. You guys can communicate with my team to get it in. So when your profit does not disappear, now this is the part. Your profit goes to here, equity. Your profit goes to equity. So right now, the market is not moving anywhere else, right? Correct or not? Right now, the market is not moving anywhere else. So what you should do in trading, take two of your hand, put it tight. Nothing to do. And when you look at the charts, you should look something like me. Meaning that it should be small. Right? In a way that it should be small. You does not need to be super tiny focus in terms of, oh, you have to look zoom into very details to see the candlestick like this. No. Alright. In fact, you should just zoom out or chill. Okay. So up already, close. Okay, come down already, close by. Then you can start to do sell trade. Okay, why sell? Because they cross down. When you cross down already, then you make a sell. That's it. Oh, it go against you, fine, just leave it there. Okay, unless it cross up again, then cross back down, only I sell. Now I don't do anything. So far okay? Alright. So we just let this thing continue. Nicely. So I sell, the price come down. Okay, good. And when I should close this? When I reach to the bottom of the market. Have you reached the bottom? Well, you can depend on here, say it's bottom, but depend on the pricing wise, not yet, right? So you can go even lower one. Now you see that it had crossed down, right? I mean, it had been just crossed out from moving average. You want to sell even more, you can sell one more time. Okay, you can sell one more time. We'll go next. So right now, this is your sell price. Can you see this? Your purple line, let's say it's average sell. That refers to your average selling price. So if the price goes below your sell price, mean that you'll be profit. If it go above, then you'll be losses. So that means sell price. Okay, sell means short. You are shorting the price movement. Okay, so the price has been coming down to the bottom. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Actually, I can close already lah. Okay, can. So you can cross down from RSI already, right? So I close my sell trade right now. Okay, aligned to with the bot. The bot actually buying already. So I can choose to close all. Right, I can choose all to close all. Then we can start to buy again. Okay, since it go even lower, right? Then we wait for a while. Okay, so I would like to buy right now. Why I buy? It's because it has been crossing up. Can you see this? It's been crossing up. Then I start to buy. And now price has been go above the moving average. Above moving average already. And then I buy again one more time. So I buy one time here and one time here. Then finish. I just wait it to continue. Right? Just wait it to continue. So the chart, the tips is that your chart should look like this, as small as possible, so that you will not be overreact in the trading. And the action that you did should be as less as possible. Right? I've been seeing that a lot of people in out, in out, in out. But let's see how each and every one of you are doing right now. Alright? Let's have a look, right? The people that have the highest profit right now, Adrian Yu, right, $2,003 profit. Steph, right, having 2003. Dennis 2003. 60 Clock 2002. Mike Rich 2002. Okay, so right now, you see, my average buying trade is here. Average buying trade is here. Go up, profit. Goes down, I'm in losses. So right now, am I in profit or loss? So I am in a loss. Okay, and what I will do now, so I wait it. If it come down, you know, out, I will enter. But not yet, man. Not yet. Just wait, lah. So Eric, did you need any help? Eric Chance, Lam Tok Long, did you need any help? Abu Aymans, did you need any help? Peter, did you need any help? Robert Chan, did you need any help? Alright, the reason I call out you guys' name is because that I want you guys to see why people are losing money. every chance. You see, I given you guys 5 trades, and right now you've been all in to buy here, and that is not how it's supposed to be, because when you're all in, you're unable to do what we call as layering, or better way is dollar cost average. You cannot dollar cost average on a price when it comes down against you, which is what happened right now. So you see, you always try to all in, and that is the reason it causes you to lose money. When you enter all the trade at one go, yes, your profit could look sexy high, but in a way that you will be losing a lot in terms of commission as well. So right now you are stuck. But for me, I didn't get stuck because I entered bit by bit. If it come down even lower lah, just come lah. I got 3 more buy trade to open. I don't do anything right now, I'm in profit already, right? You see, this is another one, Peter. Peter is lucky lor. Not so lucky. Okay, so Peter, your problem is that you buy all in, and how should I put this? Okay, first thing first, I think that your all in over here is okay because after RSI been crossed up, then you start to exit your trades. Now, this is the problem lah. There is nothing right or wrong. It's just that the problem is that when you're all in, you get stuck. You cannot rescue yourself. You are totally stuck. That's why you are losing even more money. If you can rescue yourself by adding more trade, when the market go even against you, you can enter more trade bit by bit. When all recover, you can exit all in net profit. But now you can't. You're all in already. It looks into Abu making a sell trades. Abu Ayman. Like right now, it come even lower, right? Okay, you see the price come even lower, right? I don't care. I just buy first. Okay. Why I buy? Because it crossed up just now. Yeah, so right now it crossed up. So I just buy when it get down even further. The rest of the time what I'm doing, I capo other people's trades. I see how other people lose money. But also at the same time, I would like to show you guys how the top trader in the rooms are making the profits. So this is Adrian Wu. Alright. So this is Adrian's. How Adrian make their money. Net profit 3,008. Now, right now, we take this example. Ganesh asks, what is average buy? Average buy stands for when you have a lot of buy trade, right? Then there must be a final average entry that you're having. And this is a final average entry. And with this average entry, right, let's say buy. Any price above this, you are in net profit. Any price below this, you are in net losses. As simple as that for buy. Wow, very sophisticated trade. Okay, wait. So guys, welcome to jackpot. So this is a jackpot, like when market sudden jump or sudden drop because of news. Right? This could be manipulations, this could be whatever it is, doesn't matter. So when you have seen this kind of a jackpot, we call it as a big candle. Or this is also a big candle. So what you can do, you can close buy right now. Okay? You can close buy bit by bit. But for me, I'll just close all up. I will not recommend to trade after the big gap unless it has been slowed down. So yes, you can decide to sell it, but the risk is that it may go even further. So you can choose that you want to take the risk or not lah. Okay, so let's say that I want to follow the bot. The bot said that I can sell here. Sell, why sell here? I think this is straightforward. Because of RSI cross down, it sell. Okay, so you can start to sell. Okay, so the bot have been triggered in our data right now. So I will let you guys to continue to trade for the last 5 more minutes. Okay, for the last 5 more minutes, you guys can continue to trade. And I could end the simulation in the next 5 minutes. So the last 5 minutes is for you guys. Enjoy. So for those experienced trader, right, the chat box is open for you guys to shout. You want to buy or you want to sell. The market will be manipulated by you guys one. You guys want to be buy or you want to sell, right? Can type in the chat box. Well, congratulations, Raymond, you have driven the market. So for the last 30 seconds, I'm gonna end the entire simulation in the next 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds, you guys can close all your trades right now before I close for you guys. If I close for you guys, there will be a freeze evolver. So if you want to, you can close all your trade right now. And in the count of 10 seconds, I will close everything. So in the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. How do you guys feel for this round? Awesome. All right. Good, good, good. How about others people? How do you guys feel for this round? Me got a bit of jelly jaw. Good, but still don't know how to trade. Exciting, alright? Okay, but a bit blur. Great! Easier for me to buy and sell, haha. Great, 227 equity. Nervous. Good, I already replaced my battery, so hopefully next simulation should be smooth. Yeah. I mean, in the reality is that trading you can afford for that kind of thing as well. Scalping, awesome. Good for practice. Heart attack pula. I have learned new knowledge, but I feel better to trade right now. Suddenly I feel I'm so pro. The robot trade better than me. Okay, so thanks for reminding of this. Now, in the training simulations, right, what you guys can do right now is don't close first. See this? There's a show result button here. So you see this show result, and there's a Telegram group, right? So let me see. Okay, so there's a Telegram group. What you guys can do is that this is your own account. Okay, so this is your account. You can copy this account, send into a result sharing here. Send. Okay, just copy this, whatever it is, copy from here and post into Telegram. Alright, so that everyone, you can do this together so you can see how other people are doing. Okay, now while you guys are posting, right, I think that team, you need to enable the permission to share first. Okay, so guys, you can try to send right now. Now, while you guys are sending the message and information inside, let me give you guys a quick tips. So this, if I want to see the strategy, just now it's about 100 of you guys in the room, 128 of you guys in the room. So what you guys can see is that, from top to bottom, everyone using the same strategy, same indicator, same capital, and there's nothing different on the charts. You see, some of you guys can achieve $600 profit in how long? See, we've been trading from 3rd to about 1 month periods. Okay, in simulation about 1 month periods, some of you guys have been make around $600 profit. Some of you guys make around 500s, 400s, 400, 700, and these are within 1 month. 32 plus over percent, 70%, 12%, all the way down. You see, for the first hundreds of people, all are in net profit. Some are beginners, some are experienced. Alright, even the second page, you see, only a very minor of you guys are in losses. Probably you guys are still new, still don't know what you're doing, but it's totally fine because this is just your first round. But what I want to show you guys is that with such a simple strategy, a simple RSI, a simple moving average, cross up buy, cross down sell, and with this kind of just a basic concept, you already make a profit on it. So the point that I will bring out is that how many of you feel it's actually a wow to you guys when you start to have this kind of mind-blown moments that with just these 2 simple indicators, you already in profit. And the interesting part is that I not even automate this yet. It's just a manual starting point because I just want to ensure that you have a solid foundation first before you dive in to automated. But if you found this is very amazing, right? Type of the wow in the chat box, WOW, type of wow in the chat box. And you're excited with the robot trading strategy tomorrow, type of wow as well, right? The thing that I want to give you guys is that strategy can be as easy as what I'm saying. It's just that how you use it and how to tweak it on it. And if you can, alright, remember to copy. You don't have to copy, it doesn't matter. Like, take your phone, take a photo, also can. Alright, share into the Telegram group. And then each and every single one will just see each other how you are profiting. Okay. And how many of you would like to have Ethan, which is me, to review your trades and tell you that what is a mistake that you did in your trading that caused someone that's so profitable you end up in losses, right? How to modify on it. I can type a me in the chat box. And so what we're going to do is that in the Telegram day, I am in the group so you can have a conversation inside the chat box there. And for me to advise on your trades, if it will be only way, take a screenshot of whatever the thing you have done, share inside. you can tag my name. My name is Ethan. Just tag my name inside. I can attend to you. All right. And how many of you would like to have Ethan to review your trade and also automate your trade that is in profit to make it 24/7 robot to trade for you? All right, can type me in the chat box. Basically, what I'm saying is about this trading behavioral reports. Analyze everything that you have done, including that how you can improve yourself, your risk management, your strategy, every single thing. Now, for those that is already a VIP, you will already get this. But for those today, especially for top 10 winner, you will be entitled for these trading behavioral reports. And you will get this from my team. If you are the real top 10, highest profit, lowest drawdown, my team will contact you tomorrow. Basically, my team will drop you a WhatsApp message. And if you're interested, my team will take whatever the trade that you have done, send to me, we'll analyze and give it back to you. All right. And how many of you are seriously want to trade for a living? Meaning that whatever the strategy that you have learned today, you want to extend it further to be a robot. You really feel that, hey, this is something that I finally get a clue on what I should do on make trading easier for my life. All right. Now I'm going to tell you that if you feel very awesome today is just the first 20%. There will be more exciting stuff will come out in day 2, 3, and 4. All right. So of course, for help you guys to prepare better in trading, we have this VIP trader pack. Okay. But before I continue, can I get your guys' permissions to share about this VIP trader pack? It's more on Cyborg Pro package, whereby it's tools to help you guys to be a profitable trader as fast as possible. All right. So if it's okay, you can type a yes into the chat box. And in short, this is only for those serious about trading that would like to use robot to trade for a living. All right. Now, if that's it, you guys say one, I will start to explain about the pack of it. So just now I said that the $2,000 as I swipe the credit card for you guys to trade is indeed part of this package. All right. So in this VIP package, right, is that I will give you a $10,000 to trade. Yes, live trading account for you to trade. If there is a profit, we go for share. If there's any loss, I fully absorb everything. I cover all the losses. You don't need to pay us any single cent. Literally, I swipe your credit card for you to trade. But term and condition apply. Meaning that I need to ensure that you are profitable first. That's why there is a trading simulation. There is a track that we are checking on it. So in this 10K challenge account, we will be split into 1 step and 2 step. Depends on which type of trader are you from. Okay, so if you are beginners, then it will be suitable for the first one, whereby these have a very easy criteria. So how does it work? So before you can really get this $10,000 live capital, I will give you an exam first. With this exam, right, with this capital exam, I will test if you can make an 8% profit or not. There is no time limit. You can 8% as long as you like. But the daily, you cannot lose more than 3%. The maximum of the account cannot lose more than 6%. If you does hit, then the condition will just fail, right? But you can restart on the next month. You can repeat the test again. So after this, when you reach to live, the profit sharing is how much? Starting from 70% to 90%. Depends on how good you are in trading. So 70% is you get 70%, 30% is just for me to cover the cost. Fair enough? I think it's pretty fair, right? But Ethan, I want to be speed up, want to be more faster, you want to give me higher leverage. Okay, Ken, I get you a higher leverage, but with a condition. Instead of 8%, you need to prove to me the profit one more time, 5%. You have a date criteria of 30 days and 45 days. But this is more suitable for intermediate to experienced traders if you want to get more ROI with a higher leverage. Alright. So there are 2 types of it. You can just tell my team that which type that you want to choose from. And make sure that you are prepared first before you jump in. After you jump in, you'll profit from it. Then I will be interested to find you out and how did you be from beginner to be a profitable trader? Because we have been seeing a lot of people that convert from losing to be a profit. And I will get you to my Zoom and having a physical meet to me as well to, I want to know how you profit lah. All right. One of the questions that's actually thought of on my mind, how many of you would like to have a chance to meet me face to face to ask me about trading? You would like to have a physical contact with me to ask about advanced stuff about trading, all right? You can type me in the chat box. So this is something that I would specially to do it only for today for you guys, all right? So for all today's, if you have joined the simulations and you are part of the VIP programs, then the top profitable traders in this program, in this 10K challenge, right? Regardless where you're from, you are from Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, I buy the ticket all the way go there, I belanja, meaning I treat you a meal, I will sit down together with you, I will ask you how you trade. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that your sessions, we will record it down and I will play it as a video, like what you see just now, I play as a video, and pretty sure that a lot of beginners will like to listen to you. How did you actually make from beginner all the way to profitable traders? Take your story, they call that, take your story and help out more people that struggle in trading. We help more traders to profit for a living, all right? So, and that is bonus number one, all right? If you are profit from 10K challenge, show to me, I will get you a chance to ask me anything, meet me face to face. And bonus number two, if you are getting to this program today, I will get you a 90% discount on next month's subscription. So just let you guys know that this is, the VIP is going to be a subscription program. If it's part of this, when you are profit, even with just $1 profit, I get you a 90% discount on your next month's subscription, which I'm going to talk more about this in a moment. But let's say that you have no time to watch the chart, don't know how to analyze, don't know how to read up or down also, never mind. We have this AI Trading Copilot to analyze everything for you. For example, today we learned two things only, moving average and RSI. But in fact, there are even tons of indicators available online. So what we do, we get you this AI robot having 25 indicators here, summarize everything for you. Still don't know how to read? Never mind. You see this? Buy mean buy. Sell means sell. Buy means 48% good to buy. As simple as that. And no more hustle, all in one technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, we summarize all the news for you. See this? Buy mean buy. Hold mean don't do anything. We study all the news for you. Just final answer, buy or sell. All right. And you don't know how to look at the chart. You have no time to look at the chart. Never mind. We done for you. Trading will tell you where to buy, where to sell. We point out to you exactly where to buy, and there's a signal come out to you. Where to sell, there's a signal come out to you only. So you no need to look at the chart. There's a signal come to you. But also need to know how to read the signal lah. Right? So that is the purpose of Trading Simulator. Tell you that how to read on it, how to buy and sell everything. Now to set up the charts, to set up the trading system, we also have this robot program. We call this as Scalping Auto Exit. Now this robot will do the best. Regardless how you trade, the robot will think the best, recover all the losses, make it into winning. For VIP, tomorrow, I'm going to show a demonstration on how you can get a 17% win rate with a robot trading, even that you are totally newbie in trading. And it will be very crazy that if you know how to use RSI moving average, your profit is like unstoppable. I'm going to show you how this thing will work. And maybe until now, you still don't know which type of strategy that fit you the best. Right now, no need to guess. You just trade properly in the simulation. We get the AI to analyze for you what type of style that best fits for you. Of course, you want to earn more. For VIP only, we will get you extra 1 hour advanced sessions to learn more about robot knowledge, because you will get more robot than others. Hence, there will be 1 hour earlier, so you will start with 7:30 earlier than other students. Only for VIP, you no need to worry. if you can catch up. After the class, you have the recording. You can always watch for the replay. You can always learn from it. All right. And the replay is for you forever for you to learn. And this is what other students are earning right now. You can see that they indeed make a profit, and indeed we go for profit sharing. Indeed, they receive it in their bank account, and whichever the bank it is, we just deposit all the way to them, right? So you can see 600, 500, 500, and even there are people that get $20,000 profit out of here. And my question to you guys is that, are you guys serious in trading? And are you serious to make a living out of trading and use trading to generate a passive income? All right, type of the yes in the chat box if you are serious. I said, say what you mean and means what you say. All right, so I really mean what I said. I want to help trader to be profitable, and that's why all the tool is to help you to be profitable. And today is going to be a last day to accelerate your journey with the robot tradings. So unfortunately, my credit card also got a limit one lah, right? So I cannot sponsor everyone for the 10K. There's only a last 5 more account left for the 10K account. So if you want to get it right now, right, team, can you please send a link in the chat box, goalphatrading.com. Just get into this link. All right, register yourself. Now, the link is in the chat box. Let me get it into there first. Now, over here, you will be able to see the page look something like this. All right, for today, a special discount is $99 per month subscriptions. All right, if you subscribe today, it's going to be $99 and forever $99. Right, for those people that joined before, you should know that we are selling at $150. Just right now, end of the year, we want to contribute something back to you guys. All right, so this is like a Christmas gift for all of you guys as a bonus. All right, so all you need to do right now is just to fill in your name, email address, phone numbers, whichever your address, just your locations, and refer email. You can just type NA first. Okay, you can choose monthly plan, semi, or go for annual plan. Then you can just pay with your credit card or debit card. Then you can complete your order over here. After that, my team will communicate with you straight away in a WhatsApp, and yeah, WhatsApp lah. Then we'll contribute all the whatever the bonuses that we mentioned just now given to you guys. And will you be entitled for the 90% discount? Only for today. Okay, for today, or people that sign up even before today also will get it. After today, no. Okay, so meaning that in part of this program, you will get ADA robots, and then you will get a 10K account to trade. And this 10K account with a exam on it. So let's say that you have passed the exam. You get this 10K account. And all I need is to make $1 profit from this 10K account. You can prove it to me that you literally make $1 profit in the live 10K on my account. Then congratulations. Instead of 99, all right, I give a 90% discount. We give refund to you, and all your subscription is just $10, especially for people that register earlier for, this month, right, December. Okay, so meaning that as long as you profit $1, can, all right, show to us if we give you a discount, all right, 90% discount for next month. Hey, fair or not? All right, I think it's pretty crazy good. That's best deal ever that you never ever gonna hear this anymore in the future. All right, so as long as you make $1 on that month, all right, you prove that is net profit on that month, 90% discount. Don't fake one. I know how to trade one. So you just show me 90% discount. Okay, all I want is, of course, if you can, please share with us how did you make profits. I believe that your story will motivate a lot of traders to know how to do robot trading that is really generate profit for them. Okay, when is the first time this month we can trade and earn? So as soon as today you make the payment, all right, as soon as you are part of this program, straight away next day you can start to trade. Straight away next day you can start to trade. Okay, so after this, now if you want to get a 10K account to start trade immediately, can, no problem. All right. I don't know that you are beginner or not. So if you are beginner, choose for one step. If you are somewhat experienced already, you pretty much know that you can achieve the target that I set for you, you can go for 2-step. Okay. So how to join? Just inform my team that you want to join. Okay, just inform my team that you want to join. Okay, so let's give a quick summary of what you guys have learned today. Okay, so first thing first, today you have learned about a strategy and analysis. Now, what is the difference between a strategy and analysis? A strategy is something like moving average, RSI, right? This is something that you guys have been learning a lot of time. And at first, you join into the workshop is to see this at moving average, RSI, and many more actually. See that what are the other strategies that can make you profitable. But in fact, no. The thing that really makes you to be profitable is not a strategy. In fact, an analysis method. Analysis, what does analysis mean? Analysis means knowing what strategy to use at what time. Strategy does not help one. But if you know what strategy to use at what time, you will be damn profitable. If you can see the market is like ranging, use RSI. If you can see that it's like this, use moving average. And with just a very simple rules, it will end up to be a very profitable already in the trading. All right, and be sure you guys in the simulation, this is exactly how it works. So if you want to know how to improve yourself, how to get a better traders, you literally need to be evolved in the trading, because in the real world, practice makes perfect. The thing that I can teach is all about real strategy, real method that I'm using. But for you yourself, how much that you can get, what is a false belief that you have, what is a myth that you get, the only way that can help you is that you have to be participate in the simulation, be you yourself, trade exactly how you are trading in the real life, and then at the end of the session, we can analyze how you trade. We tell you what is your mistake, and then we correct from it. Find a solution, repeat again. Do it again and again, multiple rounds later, for sure you will be a profitable trader already. I always believe that everyone in the world deserves to be a profitable trader. It's just a way that someone may be talented to be fast to be profitable trader. Someone may need to have a little bit more efforts compared to other people, but still will end up in profit as well. It's just a method that which type of strategy that best fit you the most. Okay, so for those that actually for take out for VIP or you already a VIP, quick note for you guys that the VIP class will be start at 7:30 to 8:30, which is 1 hour earlier than us, others people. And you will be entitled for training behavior reports. There will be more Q&A available in the class. We will teach you about how to set up the robot in MT4 and MT5. And also we teach you, you will get a robot and recordings in the membership site. If you want to get a report, submit your trade sim history to my team, which my team will talk to you how to do it. And more cool thing is that how to use the ADA Trading Copilot that with ChatGPT integrated. So tomorrow we will have this thing in as well, which is how to trade at the right time, at the right price, using the right tools. So even that you're totally beginner, by just know this formula, right? With this single formula, you already know the best time, the best price, the best strategy to use to enter the market already. Stay tuned for the day 2. With this said, that's all for our day 1 of the sessions, and I will be here for like last 5 more minutes for Q&A if you have any question related to the VIP package, everything. All right. Now, for those that not yet a VIP, right? Just one last thing is that you will not get this 99 in the future. All right. It's literally just a gift for you guys to get it in, and there are even more good stuff that I haven't disclosed, but I'm pretty sure that you won't regret. Right, that is one thing that I can share. The 10K comes in a package for $99, or is the same it for, or it is the same for it to be challenged for the exam. So if you're part of this VIP, you are straight away get a 10K funding. All right, part of this 99 already. Those sign off already can exit. Okay, so sign off already means Gobi, you have learned a lot of things. Thank you. Is there a playback for today's class? Okay, so if you want to get the playback or the recordings, only the VIP having this access. If you want to get it, you can talk to my team that you're interested on this. Okay. You sign up for VIP program. I think that you had to check with my team on your conditions. I'm not sure that is your arrangement or your accountings be like. Can you please extend the package at least until Wednesday? Need to bank in money to my account, please. Okay, so I don't know that how much the account that I left with. Okay, I only had like 5 account left. All right, my credit card also got a limit one, guys. I'm not the bank. I'm not Federal Reserve. I can't print money. So you want to reserve your spot first. All right, team, can you please send the WhatsApp number into the chat box? Okay, so you can send the message to my team first come first serve, that you want to reserve the spot. Okay, and then after these sessions, I will check how many accounts that I'm having. So if you think that 10K is a small amount for you, fine, you can pass over to other people to use it also, because this 10K account, I think that someone really value on it and they want it. So if you think that 10K you don't want to have it, you can always pass to other people to have it lah. All right. Thank you, Norris. Already signed. Yeah, so the link is here. If you want to be part of this, all right, talk to my team first. All right, you want to reserve, talk to my team first. So after we join, we can get 10K trade and get profit on the same day. So the condition is that you have to pass through the term and condition of the 10K first. Let me evaluate whenever you can trade. And if indeed you know how to trade, yes, proceed. What if I cancel the monthly plan? If you cancel, straight away go back to the original price of $150 per month. Okay, yeah. If I cancel after 1 month, just in case. So once you cancel, we will go back to the original price of $150 per month. Okay, Norris. So team, you guys can contact those people that is already signed up for the VIP program and arrange for that. So with that said, that's all for today's sessions, and I'm gonna see you guys in next day. Bye for now. Can add in money into the same thing account. Wow, this is the first time I see this arrangement. I can, no problem. We can negotiate on this part. Okay, with that said, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Just a young gun with the queen.